I would love to see how people could possibly eat with this. It might pick up your apples. It's not going to be picking up your lettuce or your hams. This possibly might cut something. And this is hardly beveled. Packs of wooden knives, spoons and forks. I wonder why they're on my desk. I think I can come up with a really fun idea using just knives, forks and spoons, plus some paint. ArtistRebeccaLS, the channel that inspires you every day. Subscribe or I'll throw paint at you. Help my channel even more by watching a playlist, fully watching my videos and go and share them. So these are biodegradable and ecological, unlike those disposable plastic varieties. They're all made of wood. And these are the knives. Not sure if I would be happy eating with them. I'd be worried about splinters, but it's a very clever idea. They're basically balsa wood, very, very light. And now we're finally getting into it. I've put paint into the palette and I'm picking it up, firstly using the knife, and then I started with the spoon because the spoon was adding it better. It was spreading it much more further. And I liked the gradual effect that you get, the gradient coming down with less paint. And then I used the spoon to do the grass and the stems, and the fork is for the tulips or any kind of flower head that you like. And I did different colour flower heads. Come see what it looks like now it's finished. Click the 2 videos on screen now, and when you do, you're going to get even more inspiration.